Dear class, hope you all are fine and stay at home. Class, today we are going to start our next unit, that is the electronic spreadsheet. But dear class, before starting our new unit, there are some following instructions for you. Class, it is your moral duty that you can always use hand sanitizer and wear a mask. Dear class, also maintain a social distancing because day by day cases of the coronas are increasing. So it is your duty that you can take care of yourself and your family members. Hope you all are well and follow these instructions. So class, let's start with the next unit, that electronic spreadsheet. Here this is our fourth unit. So in this unit there is a first topic, that is the editing data in a spreadsheet and introduction to spreadsheets. So let's start with the topic, class. First of all, we can start with our introduction part, that what is meaning of spreadsheets. An arrangement of cells in columns and rows that is used to organize, analyze, maintain, calculate and report the information in the form of numerical form. So it also includes one another component, that is the workbook. A file that contains one or more spreadsheets are called a workbook. So there are the various computer programs which can create a spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, Apache, Google Sheets, LibreOffice, Wikicalc, etc. But here today we are going to discuss our first software in spreadsheet is the Microsoft Excel. So let's start with our first topic. So class, if we want to start a MS Excel, click on the start button and then click on all programs. Afterwards select Microsoft Office. Here there is one option, Microsoft Excel. So you have to click on that window for opening a Microsoft Excel. So in MS Excel there is one formula. For example, it can always start with an is equal to sign. The main motive of an MS Excel is to calculate all the calculations, and it includes various arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So in this slide you can easily see that a formula is always start with an is equal to sign, and these B2 plus C2 plus D2, these are all our cells. Here the plus sign is shows as an arithmetic operator. Our next one is the designing a spreadsheet. Our spreadsheets include rows, columns, cells, table. As you seen in this slide, it includes 4 columns which includes the cell, rows, etc. So a cell is an individual location on a spreadsheet which consists of columns and rows. Here A, B, C, D are called the columns. These are in a vertical form, and numbers 1, 2, 3 are called the rows, and they are shown in a horizontal form. In MS Excel, it also contains various type of components which includes file tab, name box, active cell, column heading, formula bar, group, range cells, etc. So these are the various components of MS Excel, and these plays a very important role in calculating the various operators. Here operators includes various type of calculations like arithmetic, division, multiplication, subtraction, etc. Next one is the how to enter a data in MS Excel. MS Excel plays a very important role. Why? Because with the help of MS Excel we can calculate various type of operators. So if we want to enter a data, click on simply the cell and type the numbers using the number key. So here a number can contain the following characters like 0 to 9, various type of arithmetic operators, plus, minus, division symbol, etc. So these are the way that how we can entering a data. Class, always kept one thing in mind when we want or when we use to calculate a various type of formulas in MS Excel, it always starts with an is equal to sign. So the equal to symbol plays a very important role in MS Excel. With the help of is equal to symbol, we can calculate our all operators. So dear class, this is all about your spreadsheet or MS Excel. If you are having a laptop or systems at your home, please try all these functions at your home. If you are find any type of query, then you can ask all the queries in Zoom class. Thank you. Have a nice day.